गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सब्जेक्ट एसएस चैप्टर नंबर 5, अर्थ आर होम। अर्थ यानी पृथ्वी, हम इसको क्या कहते हैं, हम हिंदी में पृथ्वी। अब अर्थ, एज वी नो दैट अर्थ इज राउंड। कैसे हमको पता चला कि अर्थ इज राउंड? तो here we have to, here I am writing that earth is round. By its image, the scientist, for example, कल्पना चावला, सुनीता विलियम and Rajesh Sharma, these three scientists of India who went on the moon and captured the picture by which they have known that the earth is round. Before it they have known that the earth is round, but by the scientists who are Indians, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams and Rajesh Sharma, they also proved that the earth is round. Now earth, so in this earth we have 181 latitudes. 181 latitudes are present. Now, as we know that latitudes are, what are latitudes? So it is a horizontal imaginary line which is imaginary, means by the image it has been drawn on the surface, on the globe. As you can see that here there is imagine that it is a earth and lines are drawn on it like this, but at the middle of the both it has a 0 degree equator, which is known as a 0 degree. The equator is present on it. Here we have to write equator, and like that there are many different at a 23.5 degree, we can say 23.5 degree, it has Tropic of Cancer, at 66.5 it has a Arctic Circle, and at upper side at 90 degree we can say that it is a north pole of the earth, and downside at 90 degree we can say that it is a south pole. Like that, as above we have seen that it has a Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree. It has Atlantic Circle at 66.5 degree. Like that, at downwards at the South Pole it also has at 23.5 degree. It has a Tropic of Capricorn. Like that, at a 66.5 degree it has a Antarctic Circle, Antarctica Circle. Now you can see that above North Pole there is a 90 latitudes in the North Pole, and at the down region it has a 90 latitudes of South Pole. So by addition of these two, 90 plus 90, 90 of a North Pole and 90 of a South Pole plus 0 degree equator, 0 degree equator, what it forms? That it forms 181 latitudes. This is for information, and you have to remind in your mind that it these all things are in present indeed in the on the imaginary line of the earth or a globe. Now, looking at this all, we can know that which is the south pole and which is the north pole. By the upward is known as the north pole, and this downward at 90-degree it is a north, it is a south pole. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about different forms with like latitudes. Here we have learned of a latitudes. Like that we are going to learn of a longitudes, oceans and continents. These are the topics which we are going to learn in this chapter. Now, it is very amazing to know that Kalpana Chawla is from Punjab and Sunita Williams is from Gujarat. Like that, different scientists like Rajesh Sharma and many other scientists are of Indian, which went on the moon and captured the image of the earth and sent on the earth. So this chapter also involves many different many different zones, and in this it also shows that the imaginary line, which are what are longitudes, what are latitudes, what are oceans, and where the oceans are from. Everything we are going to learn in the earth are home. So this is the information which we have to know about before we learn the chapter. And you also have to keep in your mind this information, by which we can help and discuss the many questions which is given in our textbooks. So thank you.